Hello, and welcome to my latest video. This one is about finding the area of triangles when the triangles are not in a grid. So, remember that the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height, but because it's a triangle and not a parallelogram, it's base times height divided by 2. And remember also that the base and the height are at right angles. So you have to find a triangle, find a right angle, find the two numbers associated with it, multiply them by each other, and divide by 2, and then you have the area. Let's take a look at an example. Here's an example. Here's a right angle. This right angle goes this way and this way. So the two numbers associated with it are 60 and 45. So to get the area, now 60 is the base because it's the side of a triangle, and 45 is not the side of a triangle, so 45 is the height. So we will do 60 times 45 and divide by 2 because it is a triangle. 60 times 45 divided by 2 is equal to 1,350. So the area of this triangle is 1,350 square centimeters. So that's that one, but that's not the only right angle. Let's find a different right angle. Why, here's one right here, right there. And this one goes this way and this way. The two numbers associated with it are 75 and 36. Which of them is the side of the triangle? Therefore, the base, the 36 is. So we'll do 36 is the base times 75 is the height and divide by 2. 36 times 75 divided by 2 is 1,350, the same answer that we got before. So we've done it two different ways. We've gotten the same answer each time. However, this is a triangle, and triangles tend to have things in threes. Let's use the third right angle, which is right there. This one goes this way and this way. So the two numbers are 54 and 50. 54 is on the side of the triangle, so 54 is the base, and the height must be 50. Do I have that right as 50? I do. So 54 times 50 divided by 2, since it's a triangle. 54 times 50 divided by 2 is 1,350. We did it three different ways. We used this one, which was 60 times 45 divided by 2. We used this one, which is 36 times 75 divided by 2. And we use this one, which is 54 times 50 divided by 2. In all the cases, we got 1,350 square centimeters. Okay, let's try another example. This one's a little more complicated, but it's exactly the same thing. Here's our triangle, and it has three right angles. Let's do one at a time. We should get the same answer all three times. Here's a right angle. It goes this way and this way. The two numbers associated with it are 30 and 14 is the side of the triangle. So it will be 14 times 30 divided by 2. 14 times 30 divided by 2 is 210. So therefore, the answer should be 210 square inches. In this case, not centimeters, because it says inches. So that's one of them. That's one of the right angles. Let's find another right angle and see what we can do with that. Well, here's another right angle. This one goes this way and this way. So the two numbers are 21 and 20. 21 is the side of the triangle, so 21 is the base. And 20 is not a side of the triangle, so that's just the height. So 21 times 20, and then we divide by 2 because it's a triangle. 21 times 20 divided by 2 is 210. Look, we got the same answer. As we expected to, it is the same triangle after all. So we have one more right angle. We have this one here. This one goes this way and this way. Which is the side of the triangle? Which one is the base? Same question. So the side of the triangle is 35, therefore the base is 35, and the 12 is the height because it is not. And then we divide by 2 because this is a triangle. 35 times 12 divided by 2 is 210. We did it 3 different ways. We used this right angle and did 35 times 12 divided by 2. We did this right angle. We did 14 times 30 divided by 2. And we did this right angle, which is 20 times 21. 21 times 20 divided by 2, since 21 is the base of the triangle. And I hope this all makes sense to you. And I hope this video has been helpful.